Welcome to another Todd's 2-Minute Tech Tip Tuesday. Brought to you by the National RV Training Academy, the largest hands-on RV training academy in America. Hey, before we get to the video, which I know this is the reason why you're here, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. That way you don't miss anything. Hit the subscribe button now. Thank you. Now, back to our Tech Tip Tuesday. Hey, Todd Henson here, and here's your Tech Tip Tuesday. I'm on location out in Florida, and we're actually doing some really cool stuff. But I'm out here on an airstrip, and we're actually watching people skydive, right? So the thing is, and here's the tech tip for those of you that are watching this Thanksgiving week, all right? Just like these skydivers right up here, they never enter the plane without having all the proper gear on themselves and in the plane, right? So the same thing for you guys. When it comes to your RVing experience, first timer, whatever there may be, always make sure that you do your checklist, make sure everything is done before you even enter that RV, hook it up to your truck or Ram, or jump in the driver's seat. And if you find yourself in a warm location this holiday, make sure you have the proper protection on, because the sun can still get you even at a balmy 80 degrees. And the next tip that I need to give you is, hey, this is Thanksgiving, and I want you to enjoy the holidays, but maybe don't overindulge. So on behalf of everyone here at the National RV Training Academy, RV Unplugged, and Big Beard Battery, we want to wish you a safe and happy Thanksgiving. And with that, guys, there's your tech tip. All right, before you get to the bloopers, which is why you're here in the first place, the RV industry needs thousands of RV technicians and inspectors, and now is the perfect time to do that. If you want to make more money or have more control over your time, go ahead and click the link below. Or if you just want to learn how to fix your own RV, got something for you there. Head over to rvtechcourse.com and get started today. Now for the reason that you're at the end of the video, roll the bloopers. Okay, and don't be like these people that show up at 12 o'clock in the afternoon to start drinking, getting things ready for Thanksgiving early. Then again, you start at 9 a.m., not noon.